Hey everyone, welcome back to Heads and Hands. So in this quick tutorial, I'm going to try my best to make it quick. I'm going to go over some of the things that we're going over today. So we have a lot that we have to go over. We're going over mannequinization of the hand, as well as we are going over joints, and we're going over just a bit the skeletons, more so of an intro to the skeleton of the hands. So in this quick demo, I do want to just show just a bit of linear structure construction, just using a line, as well as trying to put a joint in a finger and thinking about all of the skeleton parts that we can think of. So I don't want this demo to be a very long demo, but I want you guys to at least get the idea of what to do and what I'm looking for when it comes to your drawings. So I'm gonna go ahead and get quiet. I'm gonna do a voiceover just to get you through the process. All right, you guys, I'll see you after the drawing. Hey everyone, so I'm starting with the palm of the hand. I'm getting a U-like shape in, thinking about perspective as well as close to what I am seeing with the hand. I'm also breaking down the fingers and placing them in the palm. And now I'm just quickly gesturing, getting all the fingers down, getting the actual swoop or the wrapping of the fingers, the connections. I'm also correcting the palm. I think I made it too long. And now I'm coming in with a joint. I'm thinking about the carpals, the metacarpals, and how they connect together, as well as connecting the phalanges. These are all just big terms for fingers. So as you can see, I'm correcting things. I'm thinking about the spacing between all three parts. Actually 4 if you add the metacarpals. So now I'm just breaking down the fingers into construction, thinking about top, bottom, and side when it comes to the fingers, thinking about just boxing out the fingers. I love the boxing out part. When I learned how to box out the fingers, it just made drawing fingers and hands just so much more easier. So now I'm continuing to box out everything that I have already drawn. Now I'm cleaning up some areas, just trying to get some knuckles in and cleaning up my line work just a bit. And I will soon start to get into line weight variation. So you want to think of softer areas as far as the meatier areas or rounding out areas that would be soft. Knuckles and things are just some hard, sharp lines that you want to use with that because that's a bone. So that's how you're able to describe that. Also, when it comes to the fingernails, and I didn't know this 100% on this drawing, but you want to think of the fingernails as a cylinder that is wrapping around the fingers. That gives you a more realistic fingernail. So now I'm just still continuing with cleaning up my lines, line weight variation to the best of my ability. I'm trying to draw as dark as I can. You know what? It's really hard to get some dark lines on videos, and the line weight variation on a video is very difficult. But I'm working on it. Getting better and better at it, I think. Hopefully. But as you can see, I'm still cleaning things up. Coming in and fleshing out the hand to the best of my ability while I have my construction drawn in. Just fleshing it out, getting the pad for that palm in some of the meatier areas. Still thinking about line weight variation, getting some folds in for the wrist. And I think I'm just about getting close to being done. Still, noodling something, but the end. Alright guys, so as you can see here, we have the hand. So just a little talk about it. I started with a gesture. I got the palm in, I got the metacarpals and the carpals in, and then of course I have one finger where I'm breaking down the phalanges, the joints, as well as a little bit of the bone structure within the hand. As well as I'm thinking about construction. So I'm getting the top of the fingers, the side of the fingers. I'm thinking about where the knuckles are located, top of the fingers, side of the fingers. Nails, you want to make sure they're wrapping around the cylinder. That's very important as well. Also thinking about where the knuckles are located on the hands and how these metacarpals connect to the carpals, the wrist area as well. So I am thinking about not only construction and your structure, top, bottom, and side, but I'm also thinking about just the bone structure and how well that works within that construction. I'm doing everything with linear, just using line. I am thinking about line weight variation. I got a little dark in some areas, but I think getting a little bit darker definitely does help when it shows up on camera. So this is my hand construction, giving you just a little bit of how I'm constructing things. I will go over more of this idea in class today. So you guys enjoy the rest of your day. I will see you guys in the next demo, the next tutorial, the next video. Have a nice day. Bye guys. Thank you.